So, guys, we're going to continue. Now, what we're going to do next is this. Now, we are going to create a window here. I forgot to create that in the previous video. So, let me just quickly create a window here. This is 2.5. So, half of 2.5 is sorry, offset 1 to 50. Okay, I'm gonna have like this. Sorry, this is two. Okay, let me measure it again to be sure. Distance from here to here is 2,000. Okay, I'm gonna offset 1,000. So I'll come in here and extend. So offset again. I'm gonna be having 500. I'm gonna use 900. Or okay, that means 1,200. I'm gonna be having 600 on both sides. 600, 600 here, and kaboom. Trim. So turn these to windows. So coming here from here to here. Same way here to here. So offset 50. So this. So now I'm done with that. Now I want to create my I'm gonna create my dimensions. Okay. So dimension from here to here is 3,600. Now because now one thing with these new features is so long I've clicked on dimension, I just keep on dimensioning whatever. Just click on yeah, I'll just be clicking what I want. Just continue until I press escape. Okay. It's just going to give me my dimensions and everything like that. Okay. Let's just do this quickly. Um, the reason why it's on blue, remember because I'm using Windows and layer currently. Okay, that's why it's on blue. So from here to here, sorry, enter. From here to this point is 4.6. From here to here is 1.5. From here to here is 3.6. Okay, there's something I did not do here. I was supposed to create a line. Something on how to. Sorry. That's for indicating my lintel here. So no, it's going to be an actor. So match properties. I'm taking this to match this. Okay, so I'm created the arc already. So dimension, continue my dimension here. So from here to here, I'm having 4,650. Okay. Now from here to here, 2,250. From here to here is 2,000. From this point to this point is 1,2. From here to here is 2,000 also. From this point to this point is 2,500. From here to here is 3,600. Okay, so let's just say this is my plan. So let me save it. Now I want to create the outer dimension to show you how the continuous dimension works. So I'm going to come here and say, okay, from here to here is 150. Okay, so I'm going to do dimension, continue. So from to this point is 2,000 like this, and 1, 2 from. I'm just taking this quickly. Um, Okay. Alternatively, if I want to actually just do the simple style that literally takes every outer features that can be visible, you can also work on it like this. Sorry. Escape. Come in here. 150. I'm going to show you guys something here very shortly. See this like this. Okay. Escape. Now, see this. You see they are contrasting, right? So I can actually bring this out like this. Okay, it gives me this, removes the stress of me having to worry about my words being in the same place. Or I can actually move this way and probably bring this down a bit. Sorry, bring it down. Okay, so whichever way, but make sure your words, your letters don't like they are visible. Okay, that's how you work with the continuous dimension. I'm going to dimension from here to this point, 8,700. Now, I can actually suppress these dimensions if I wish to. How do I do it? I can come back to say format, um, dimension style, then modify. Now, see if I should suppress these lines, this extension lines 1 and 2, set currents, close. observe my work, you can see that the only thing you're seeing now is just the lines that are here. However, this is indicating these lines. If you see very well, you understand. So most times we like to use this in architectural drawings, but for the sake of this class, I'm going to go back, revert to the other previous format we are going to work with. Okay, so modify. I'm gonna I'm not gonna suppress them anymore, so I'm gonna leave them here. So close, set current and close. So we're done with that. Now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna dimension every around. Then we quickly do our yes, I'm gonna use an hash tool here also, so that we just know how to use the hash tool quickly. Dimension. Okay, let me start from this base point from here to this point is 150. So let me change this base down here, bring it down. So I'm gonna continue dimension, continue 1 2 1 2 1 2 150 900 600 150 1 2 1 2 1 2 150. Now I've gotten this. Okay, so let's see. Dimension from here to here, 96. Okay, so let me just look at this other part. Dimension also coming here again from here to here is 150. So I'm gonna bring this out here like this and change it to this other part. So I'm gonna continue my dimension again. Continue, just automatically continues from the points like that. So this is 900 for the door. 1275, 1275, and come back and say 150. Okay, so this is my dimension. So dimension from here to this point, 8700. Okay, so let me do the other part quickly. So I'm gonna grab my dimension from here to this point is 150. So I'm bringing this down here. So dimension continue. Okay, so 150, 150 is blah. I'm done. Okay, so let me just dimension the last part, and I'm done with the dimensioning. So I'm done with my dimensioning here. Okay, so now I want to quickly create I want to live in my room. So I'm going to start from this. That's okay. Text. I'll come down here and say, okay, this is a bedroom. Bedroom. So you see, it's visible, right? Because I'm using 150. Because I changed my settings to 115 meters in millimeters. So I'm gonna copy this. Copy from here to here. So I can okay, let me create another one again. So from here I'm gonna say okay, this is my bathroom. Okay, so let me create another one here. And so okay, this is lobby. Okay, alternatively I can either just copy this copy selection one of my auto and probably make this bring it down. So okay, this is my sitting room. Sorry, sitting room. And also copy this again and bring this down. So okay, this is my dining. Copy selection, bring this here and say, okay, this is my kitchen. kitchen. Then this is my veranda at the back. Veranda. Then I can just copy this and say, okay, bring it down to the front and say, okay, this is my entrance. Sorry, there's a mistake here. Entrance. So now I'm done with my labeling. Okay. So now I'm saving. Now the next thing I want to do, I want to just create let me create a roof plan quickly. I'll just come and say, okay, sorry. Just remember to always save your work, right? Don't just add this like this and just get the pointers. Remember I told you if you are using if you are gonna work in activity software, you don't just a floor plan, okay? And you can actually export it to other parts. But we are going to learn export pretty soon. But let's just work with this. So I'll move this. I'm off. Okay, let me turn them out to move this off. So offset 600 outside. Okay, so I have this. So let me check this measurement and see the distance. 9,900. Half of 9,900 is 5,450. Okay. Sorry, what am I saying? 4,950 offset. Okay, sorry, let me create here. Offset 4,950. I'm just in a simple plan. And now I'm assuming I don't have a 3D software, okay? And all I have is just this AutoCAD. So I'm just trying to learn and showing us how to just manually do something, okay? So let's just say this is the plan. So I want to just make my roof a straight roof. Like having just parts, okay? So okay, this is what I'm gonna do here. Okay, this is it. So I can just okay, think of the fascia. Let me do some let me say 25 on this side. Let's see like this. Okay. Sorry, the pattern on the middle here. So let's okay 25 around the whole thing and trim. Okay, now this is the roof. Okay, this is the roof pattern. So I'm just gonna hatch this quickly. Hatch, sorry, hatch. Pick an antenna point, this point, and this point. So now the one is going to be small because I'm working on millimeters. Okay, so let me see. This is 300 and 300. See, it becomes bigger, right? I'm not gonna use this hatch pattern because it doesn't really show a roofing pattern very well. So I'm gonna let me try this. I'm gonna be showing you the angle. The angle is 270. Nope, not working. 45. Okay, so 45 is okay. It's not gonna work here, so I'm gonna be having 125. Sorry, 150. Sorry, no, 130. Uh, from 90 plus 45 is 135. Yeah, that's the right one. Sorry, so this is too big, so I'm gonna reduce this to be like 50. Let's see. Okay, so now it shows a real roof pattern. Okay, makes more sense like this. So so I'm going to do just one part of the plan, and I'm going to show us how to do to put this in a solid plan quickly. So let's go. Polyline. Okay, let me just read this like this. So um, my from the base of my building, I'm going to take like 500 meters to take it elevate the building a bit. So I'm going to say okay, option offset 500 millimeters. Okay, so offset again 3,000 as the building height. Offset again. Let me say my facial is like 500 300 or 400, whatever I want to use, that depends on me anyway. So 300. So sorry. So the next time I'm gonna do is my roofing height is going to be like 2,500. So coming here and say again, this is it. So now I'm gonna start with, let me just do the front elevation. Okay. The total size of the building is 8,700. So let me create a straight line here and say okay, I'm bringing this from here. So I've set 8,700. So bring this down here. So okay, that's one. That's the next I'm gonna take is 600 for my roofing space. So let's trim this now. Okay, remove this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. This one I need. This one I need. So okay. Okay, now let's continue. So Okay, now the next thing I want to think of is the midpoint of my roof since I'm using a straight line roof. Okay, so half of 8,700 is 4,350. So I'm gonna have it offset 4,350. So this is here. Extend this to the roof. Now, since my roofing pattern is going to be a straight one, that means I have to have an angular roof like this. So I'll just take the midpoint like this, bring it down here and here, and offset 25. Just follow me as what I'm doing. 25 as the size of the zinc. Sorry. So my Fisher board is I use 300. Okay, 300. So I'm gonna bring this here. So okay, this is Fisher board. Then that implies that I need to do some little bit of editing here. So let's see, let's use this train. I'm gonna remove this and okay, I can easily just remove it because I don't need it anymore. So let's see, let extend. So this is a simple building we are having. This is a simple elevation, right? So now let's work with this. So the first thing first is remember from the base to the window, from the tip of the house to the window base, I'm using the one two. So I'm going to say okay, offset is 900. That's from here to here. So from here to here is 1,200 for the window size. Then okay, that should suffice for now. So I'm gonna start with Windows. So from here I'm gonna make sure, although I know this is already 1,350, but in case you do not know, you can easily come here and say okay, the distance from here, you can measure it from this point, the window is 1,350. You can see it here, right? So I'm just gonna say okay, offset 1,350. So I'm gonna offset this and say okay, 1,2 for the window size. So I'm coming here and saying okay, this is my window. So I can just change this to say okay, this is window. From here like this, I'm having my window already. Okay, so let's erase this. Okay, now the next thing is from this point, this is also 1,350. So offset 1,350. So let's see. Okay, so let's turn this off. Okay, now I'm gonna create my pillars here. So my my height of my build pillar of my lintel from the base to the top, I'm going to be making it 2,500. Okay, so offset 25. So okay, let's see. So let's make our wall here to 150. um so let's create this quickly. Just go with me and see what I'm trying to do here. So now this is my balcony, right? So let's see what's my window distance. If I'm not sure of what I'm doing, all I need to do is just come here again, so I can make sure distance from here to this point is 1,425. So I'm setting from the wall offset 1,425, and this is it. So offset again 1,200. So there's it. So I'm coming to say okay, this is my window again from here to this point. So with that, I know my building my sorry my door size is already 900 offset, so 900. So I'll come in here. So I'll trim this and I'm saying okay. So with this I've done my building, so I'm just come do this quickly. Delete, so control save. And in the next video we're going to work on the design in the next video.